Whoever said you needed a laptop before you can get a good quality edited video? Welcome to the Content Corner. I'm your host, Nellin, and on this channel, we discuss everything about content creation from scripting to shooting to editing and even monetizing your content. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your videos like a pro on your phone using CapCut and InShot. I know you're probably thinking that editing a video can be very difficult. You want your video to be looking like this and not like this. Nobody wants to watch a video looking like this. This is the raw file from my phone. It is not yet edited. I haven't done anything to the video. And this is the edited part that we are going to be working on right now. You're going to see how we got to this place. I'll be sharing my screen so you can tag along with me while we edit this video. Now, the first step is to import the video you want to edit. First advice I would give is make sure that your videos are properly arranged according to the way you want to edit them. And this is the edited part. This is what I'm going to be showing, and this is the edited part. This is the video we're going to use to actually edit our videos, and this is the edited part. This is what we're going to use to edit our video today, so keep watching. I'll be sharing, so keep watching. Once you're sure you have all the clips ready, the next thing you want to do is split and remove the unnecessary parts. You need to be very patient and careful while doing this because this is what makes or breaks the video. While cutting and joining, it's essential for you to continuously watch the video over and over again. And this is the edited part. This is what we're going to use to edit our video today, so keep watching. Always pay attention to the way you start and end the video while cutting it because it helps in the smooth running of the video. This is one of the hardest part of editing, especially if you're editing long form videos. It takes a lot of patience to edit videos like this. Okay, let's just speed up this process and on to the next step. And this is the edited part. This is what we're going to use to edit our video today, so keep watching. Now, the next step, color grading. This is just the process of enhancing your video for a better quality. I personally use three features: the retouch feature, the adjust feature, and the filter feature. This helps for the smoothness and correction of your skin, adjustment and brightness of the background, and color grading of the video in general. Always have in mind that different videos requires different features, different adjustments, and different color grading. So I would advise you to start practicing and let your creativity come to life. Anyways, let's speed this up to the next step. Because the free version of CapCut is limited, I like to continue my color grading using InShot and then back to CapCut. Once I import my videos on InShot, the first thing I want to do is remove the watermark, so let's just speed up that process. Now, the main purpose of me using InShot for this particular video is the blur feature, and because I didn't have a camera to shoot, I do not have a blur background, and that is why I'm using InShot for that. So if you're someone that has a lot going on in their video background, or you just want an aesthetically pleasing video background, then the blur feature is the best feature for you. Once you're satisfied with what the video looks like, then it's time for us to head back to CapCut and continue the last stage of the color grading, obviously after watching a couple of ads from InShot. Now this is the final part of the color grading. Here I add more filters and do more adjustments just to give it more lively look and more humanly look. Always have in mind that different videos vary, so the adjustment and the filters you would use also varies. But this is where creativity and uniqueness comes into play. Anyways, let's speed up the process a little bit.
And this is what our video should look like.
And this is the editor part. This is what we're going to use to edit our video today. So keep watching.
After color grading, you can add text and music before exporting and uploading on any social media platform.
Now, do you still believe that you cannot edit your videos by yourself, and that's too on your phone without a laptop for free? If you follow this guideline while editing your videos, then I'm pretty sure you'll be able to produce good quality videos. Certain features works better for different kind of content, so don't forget to explore the features that you have on the apps. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you stay updated whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.